Soil profile rebuilding is a soil restoration technique for sites where topsoil has been completely or partially removed and subsoil layers have been compacted. Soil profile rebuilding may improve vegetation establishment, increase tree growth rates, increase soil permeability, and enhance formation of aggregates in the subsoil. Step 1. Spread mature, stable compost to a 4-inch depth over compacted subsoil. Compost feedstock shall be leaves, yard waste, or food waste. Biosolid-based compost shall not be used. A compost sample with analysis shall be submitted for approval to the client before application. Step 2. Scoop and drop to mix compost in soil. Use a backhoe rear bucket or similar equipment with a tin bucket to break up the compacted soil and incorporate the compost. Work backwards away from excavated soils so that the treated soil is not trafficked by the equipment. Insert the bucket through the compost layer and into the subsoil to a depth of 24 inches and raise the bucket of soil at least 24 inches above the soil surface. Tip the bucket and allow soil to fall. Repeat this procedure until no clumps of compacted soil larger than 12 inches in diameter remain. The tins of the bucket can be used to break apart larger clumps if necessary. To ensure that subsoiling reaches the appropriate depth, a push tube soil sampler shall be used to verify compost is present at the 24-inch depth. Step 3. Add topsoil, till, and rake to final grade. Stockpiled topsoil shall be returned to the site at a minimum 4-inch depth. Once topsoil is replaced, rototill the topsoil to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. The final step is to plant the site with woody plants, trees, or shrubs at a density that ensures a minimum of 50% of the site will be occupied with roots within 10 years. On behalf of Arlington County, thank you for your careful attention to soil profile rebuilding. Local studies show that compaction from redevelopment results in 10 times less infiltration than neighboring lots. Soil profile rebuilding will help make sure the new owners have healthy soil and land, reduce runoff to neighbors, and help protect streams.